Alright, what I'm gonna show you is how to do a YouTube partner, banner, and without being a partner. Basically, this is gonna disable everything from your videos. Alright, I made my free YT layouts account just just to show. Alright, click your account. Alright, you see how it is? It's gonna be like that. Make sure you have no video. You can just disable it. It's gonna take all your videos off. So just go to videos, pick any random video, and just alright, click this weird ass hoe ass girl. Just copy the video URL and go back to your account and go to videos and playlists. Take off, go put it in Gird View and just follow what I do. Disable all those, Gird View, and just I guess leave it that one. And put others, alright? And just put any random video. It don't matter. Just save, and voila, your thing's pretty much like glitched. It's like invisible, so you can just put like anything you want. It's like a huge banner. So I already have a layout made for it, so I'm gonna be putting it on my website. So here it is. Just look at it. It looks perfect. Just set up the colors and do whatever like I used to do in mine, and just use my pre-made layouts. Make sure they're both 100%, the wrappers and everything. And there you have like pretty much a huge ass fucking banner without being a partner. But this sucks because it won't show your. You don't have to delete your videos or anything. It won't show your videos and your favorites or whatever. Just make sure you don't put none of those, but your videos will still be uploaded on YouTube. It's just that it won't show on your account, and that's pretty much it. And so make sure you go on my site and download all that shit or save as whatever.